Hey, it's Mike, and here's another airsoft review. This is another used gun, highly used, and my friend says it's not that good. I used to think it was. I haven't seen it in action for a very long time. So, here we go. This is the JG M16 A4. One beast of a gun when it was new. He says no, I say yeah, whatever. Alright, let's start out with a buttstock. I love doing rifle reviews because there's more to talk about than a pistol. Alright, buttstock is kind of hard to get down, but when you do, that's obviously the battery hold. I'm not going to open it because it's a fish open. There's a battery hold in there. And then, metal parts. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Metal parts are this part of the stock, this, sling handle, charging pin, drop door. I don't know if this is. No, that's fine. Alright, magazine hold, trigger, magazine, trigger guard. Actually, that's all ABS plastic is all this gray. Everything's black except for this and this. Yeah, everything's black except for the handle, buttstock, foregrip, right here, is, metal. And, everything else is ABS plastic. Hop up right in here is on almost all M16s and M4s. We took the spring off of it. He took the spring off of it. So, yeah. Safety, it's a ready gun, again. So, safe, auto. What else on this side? Oh yeah, you can take off the sights there fairly easily. 1, 2, and they're off. Got a red dot scope or ACOG scope on there or whatever. This gun originally came with, I think it said 380 FPS with a .2. So it's got good FPS. As all reviews show on this gun, barrel level, right here. This is fully tightened. Yeah, fully tightened. Still has a lot of wobble. Might want to replace these rails, tactical rails, or something like that, if you're gonna get this gun. Spring mounts are very, very good. This one, like on a real M16, you could put to the sides, either side. We usually keep it in the middle. Magazine is also metal. High cap mag. I think it's 350 round high cap magazine. Little hole. See that? It'll line up. It comes with a butterfly thing, but you lost it. And now it's in. Now it looks like an M16. Sights are adjustable. This is far range. We painted these sights because we didn't see them. Far range. I mean, this is mid-close range, far range. It's very small. And then windage is this knob right here. And no. Yeah, windage is that knob right. No. This is windage. Little round thing right here. This little thing right here. And then I don't know what this knob does. Looks like it turns the whatever. Magazine release on this side. Right here on the M16. Magazine comes out very easily. Has a little bit of a wobble on the magazine. Barrel's metal. Flash hider, I think it's metal. Front side obviously metal. This comes apart easily. Just pull it back like on any M16 real or fake. Pull it off. You got your tactical rails, or if you do bottom, you got your grenade launcher or more tactical rails or whatever. Everything's done here. This gun has what we think are factory defects. My friend doesn't. yeah, this gun took a chunk out of my brother's back leg and caused me to not play airsoft for a while because I shot myself too fast on accident. So don't play with guns. This gun is battery sucks. Replace the battery almost as soon as you get it. I promise you, you will not like it. My friend didn't like it. I never liked it. No one ever liked it. Ran out almost every skirmish and you do like 2 rounds and it was out of battery. It's got a high rate of fire for its battery type. I don't know what type of battery the friend set it out. So there you go. That's the JG M16 A4. Thanks for watching this review. I'll put more up. Like I said in my last review on the SIG 226, we are going to have some new airsoft guns and games, so you're not going to be watching all these gay, broken down guns that act like shit now. So, you'll have new guns, I'll have my new guns up, all my friends' new guns up, and some new games up, actually. We'll try to get some games. So, thanks for watching this airsoft review, and subscribe or rate or comment